Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Apple Intelligence system not working or not showing in your iPhone. So basically Apple has introduced their latest iOS 18 update, and with that update they have introduced many features. So one of the system is feature is Apple Intelligence system. So if you want to check whether that Apple Intelligence system is working on your iPhone or showing or not, so how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and this time you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after going to network settings you have to simply go back, and after that you have to again click on general. You have to click on software update, and after that you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS 18. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for the Apple Intelligence system in your apps, and you can also look for the settings in Apple Intelligence system. So if you do not find any kind of option or setting in your iPhone related to Apple Intelligence, so you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS 18. So you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply go to software update. And here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 18.1 update, because it includes many features related to Apple Intelligence system. So if you search for Apple Intelligence related to your iPhone, for example my iPhone is iPhone 11, so a personal intelligence system that will be available on the iPhone 11 with iOS 18.1. So you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 18.01, because 18.1 is not available still yet. So you have to wait for some time so that it is also available on your device. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.